dear students. Today is the continuous function. Already discussed about the last class what is the limit of the function and some important formula. Okay. Now here a function is given at x equal to certain real number or its domain. So whether the function is continuous or discontinuous. So it must be satisfy this three properties. It has definite value, not indefinite value. A limit is exists. Okay. The limit extends to a. Suppose x equal to a. Let us say x equal to a. Limit extends to a f of x equal to f of a. Then the function is continuous. Okay. Now for example, f of x equal to sin 2x by sin x at x is not equal to 0, at x equal to 0 is to test whether the function is continuous or discontinuous. Okay, test whether the function is continuous or not. Okay. Now here given at x equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the f of x? Now f of x equal to here 2 is given. So f of 0 equal to 2. F of 0 equal to 2. Okay. Now the limit x tends to 0, f of x. X tends to 0 means very close to 0, not equal to 0. That means this one. Okay. Here x is not equal to 0, very close to 0. Either less than 0, that is negligible, or greater than 0. Okay. So limit x tends to 0. What is the f of x? Now sin 2x by x, sin x is given. Okay. Now convert to standard form. Now we know that limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to 1. Last class we discussed about the limit this one. Okay. Then convert to standard form. Now here limit x tends to 0, sin 2x now divided by 2x and multiplied by 2x. Now then here given 1 by sin x, multiplied by x and divided by x. Okay. Now this x and this x cancel out. Now limit x tends to 0, sin 2x by 2x. This is one part. And second one, 1 by limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. Okay. Now limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to 1. So what is the value of this one? Is 1. Okay. Now here x tends to 0, also 2x tends to 0. Now this value is also equal to 1. But here 2 is missing. Now 2. So this is 2 into 1 into 1 equal to 2. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to f of 0. Because f of 0 equal to 2, limit value is also 2. If this one is exists, so the given function, is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay, this is one example. Another example is next example is, let us say f of x equal to cos x by pi by 2 minus x. X is not equal to pi by 2. Now second one is 1 if x equal to pi by 2. Now here given at x equal to 0. Okay. Now here Now here at x equal to how much? Pi by 2 given. Okay. So what is the f of x? F of x equal to 1. So f of pi by 2 equal to 1. This one. Okay. Now for second one find out. Limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x. So limit x tends to pi by 2. What is f of x? Now this one here. Because x is not equal to pi by 2. Very close to pi by 2. Now this case. The cos x by pi by 2 minus x. Okay. So what is the limit value of this one find out? Okay. Now let pi by 2 minus x equal to theta. Let us say theta. When x equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. When x tends to pi by 2, x tends to here given limit value is pi by 2. When x tends to pi by 2, what is the theta? So theta tends to 0. Okay. Therefore, limit theta tends to 0. This part equal to limit theta tends to 0. Cos what is x? Pi by 2 minus theta by theta. Okay. Tell me what is the value of cos 90 minus theta? So sin theta. Okay. Now limit theta tends to 0. Sin theta by theta because cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. What is the limit value of this one? Is 1 by using the definition. Okay. Therefore, limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x equal to f of pi by 2. So the function is continuous. Okay. Now next example is. Okay. Now next one is, so whether the function is continuity or discontinuity. Okay. Same thing. Now let y equal to f of x. Function is given. Suppose let x equal to a. Okay. Suppose this is a function. Let us say this is a function. Okay. This is a bar. Okay. So at x equal to a, let us say this is a. At x equal to a. Now this part equal to y equal to f of x. So what is the value of this one? Is f of a. Okay. Now let us say this side is a plus h and this side is a minus h. H is negligible, very close to 0. Okay, very close to 0, but positive. Okay, very close to 0. Okay. Now this side is greater than a and this side is less than a. So what is the value of this one? F of a plus h. And what is the value of this one? F of a minus h. Okay. Now at x equal to a, what is the value of f of x? Equal to f of a, because function let us say f of x. Okay, suppose sin is given, sin a. Okay. Now x plus means right element. Okay, so right element, or in short form write RHL, right element. Okay, now limit h tends to 0. What is the right hand limit? F of a plus h. F of a plus h. Okay. So x minus, that means less than a. Okay. Now, or you can say left hand limit. This is the left hand limit. Okay. Left hand limit in short form, here we write left hand limit. So limit x raised to 0 f of a minus x. Okay. Now this is a minus x. Okay. Now a left hand limit equal to f of a equal to right hand limit. If this is exists, then the function is continuity. Okay. Now this is very important for left hand limit. This is right hand limit and left hand limit. All three are equal. Then you say that the function is continuous. Okay. Now for example, suppose f of x equal to mod x at x equal to 0, whether the function is continuity or discontinuity or test, right? Better we write test whether the function is continuity or not. Okay. Now here at x equal to 0, what is the f of 0 is mod 0 equal to 0. Okay. Now that what is the left hand limit find out and right hand limit find out. So we know that it's a graph. This is a modulus function. Okay. Now this is a graph. Mod x. Okay. So right hand limit x raised to 0 f of 0 plus h. Here see right hand limit a plus h. Here a equal to how much? 0. Okay. So this part equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x. So limit x tends to 0 mod of x. Okay. So mod of x equal to how much? 8x equal to 0. Okay. So next one is left hand limit. Okay. Limit x tends to 0 minus h less than h, less than 0 minus h. Okay. Now this part equal to limit x tends to 0 f of minus h. Limit x tends to 0 mod of minus h. Now limit x tends to 0 is h. Mod is always positive. So this is a 0. So left hand limit equal to f of 0 equal to right hand limit. So the function is continuity at x equal to 0. This is a one example. Okay. Now another example is, let us say, suppose f of x equal to mod x by x. If x is not equal to 0, 1. If x equal to 0. Okay. Test whether the function is continuity or test whether the function is continuity or not. Okay. Now here is given. Now solution. Okay. Now at the x equal to 0, what is the f of x? Equal to 1. So f of 0 equal to 1. So this is given. Okay. Now next one, similarly find out right hand limit. limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Okay. Now limit x tends to 0 f of 0 plus x, or this part is equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x. What is the f of x? Now this one is given. Okay. Now limit x tends to 0 mod of x by x. Now limit x tends to 0 x by x equal to 1. Okay. Now next one is left hand limit. Now limit x tends to 0 minus. Okay. Now 0 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 0, 0 minus x. F of minus x. Okay. So now here limit x tends to 0 mod of minus x by minus x. What is the mod of minus x? Is x. Mod is always positive. Yes or no? Limit x tends to 0 x by minus x equal to minus 1. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Hence the given function is discontinuous or not a continuous, or we write discontinuity. Okay. Now next example. Another two example is, let us say, test whether the function is continuity or not. Okay. Now here given f of x equal to 1 by 2 minus x when x lies between 0 to 1 by 2. Now at x equal to half, so this is a 1. Now greater than 1 by 2 but less than 1 equal to given. This is the question is given. Okay. Now what is the point here? Half, less than half, equal to half, greater than half. Okay. Now solution. First one. Okay. First one. At x equal to half. Okay. At x equal to half. Now what is the f of x here given? How much? At x equal to half, f of x equal to 1. Yes or no? Then f of 1 by 2 equal to is also 1. Okay. Now right hand limit. Okay. Or in short form, or we can write right hand limit. Okay. In short form, RHR, right hand limit. So limit x tends to half plus. Let us say at x equal to a equal to half plus h, right hand side. Okay. So f of x equal to, now limit h tends to 0, f of half plus h. Now here a equal to half, so half plus h. Okay. So out of these two, which one exists? Now half plus means greater than half. Okay, greater than half means this one. Here this is less than half. This is greater than 1. Right, this one. Okay. So limit x tends to 0, 3 by 2 minus x 1 by 2 plus x. Let us here greater than half. So here f of x equal to, this one is given, 3 by 2 minus x. F of 1, instead of x write 1, instead of x write a or b. Now instead of x write 1 by 2 plus h. So instead of x write 1 by 2 plus h. Okay. So limit x tends to 0, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus h. Now, after simplification, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal how much? Is 1. Okay. 1 minus h. 3 by 2 minus 1, 2. 2 by 2 is 1. When h tends to 0, this is 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Okay. Now, next one is left hand limit find out. Limit x tends to half minus. Okay. Less than means this is the left hand limit minus here x minus. Okay, half minus. Or this one equal to limit x tends to 0 f of 1 by 2 minus x. Here a equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus x. That means less than half. Less than half means first one is exist. Here see x is greater than 0 but less than half. So this one. Okay. So this part equal to limit x tends to 0 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus x. Instead of x, write this one. Okay. So limit x tends to 0 half minus half plus x equal to limit x tends to 0 each h plus or minus or cancel out equal to 0. Here is 1, here is 0. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Okay, that means the function is discontinuous, or you can say not a continuous. Okay, so the given function is discontinuity at x equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now this one. Okay, now second one. Now here second one is given. Now another second example is, now here f of x is given 2x minus mod x. Okay, now here at the x equal to 0, what is the f of x? Now given 2x minus mod x. So f of 0, 2 into 0 minus mod of 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Okay. Now next one is, what is the right hand limit find out? Limit x tends to 0 f of 0 plus x. Okay. Limit 0 plus h. Right hand limit 0 plus h. Okay. The limit x tends to 0 2 into, or you can write f of x 0 plus h equal to h. Okay. Now limit x tends to 0 2 into h minus mod of x. Okay. Limit x tends to 0 2h minus h equal to limit x tends to 0 each h equal to 0. Okay. Now next one is, now left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0, 0 minus h. Limit x tends to 0 minus h. Okay. Now x tends to 0 minus 2h h. Or you can write limit x tends to 0 minus 2h minus h. Sorry. Now limit x tends to 0 minus 3h equal to 0. So here right hand limit equal to left hand limit equal to f of 0. Therefore left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of 0. That means the function is continuous. or we can write continuity at x equal to 0. Okay, do you understand the point? So the main, these two are main. So what is the right hand limit and what is the left hand limit? Find out. If they are equal to also f of a, so the function is continuity. Okay. Now another two example is, okay. Now another two example is, now here test whether the function is continuity or discontinuity. Okay. Now, so one is f of x equal to greatest integer function. This is the greatest integer function. Okay. Now this x belongs to integer. You know that integer means 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. Okay. Now, first one. Let x equal to a belongs to integer. Okay, a means either take 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 or minus whatever value take. Okay, so what is the at x equal to a? What is f of x? Is greater than x given? Okay, now f of a equal to greatest integer of a equal to a. Already discussed what is the greatest integer function. In function already discussed the properties of the greatest integer function. Okay. Now next one is right and limit. Limit x tends to 0 f of a plus x. Okay. Now this part equal to limit x tends to 0 a plus x. Now tell me what is the greatest integer of 1 plus x equal to how much? Equal to a. Yes or no? Now left hand limit x tends to 0 f of a minus x. Now limit x tends to 0 a minus x. What is the a minus x? Equal to a minus 1. Okay. So right hand limit is not equal to left hand limit because here a minus 1. So that means, so the function is discontinuity at x equal to a belongs to integer. Okay. Now suppose let us say a equal to, let us say 2. Let us say a equal to 2. Okay. Now let us say a equal to 2. So what is the f of 2? Greatest integer of 2 equal to 2. Okay. Now what is the right hand limit? Limit x tends to 0 2 plus x equal to 2. And what is the left hand limit? Limit x tends to 0 2 minus x equal to 1. So 2 is not equal to 1. Yes or no? Now we know that from the definition of greatest integer function. Now we know that from definition of greatest integer function, f of x equal to 0. 0 is less than or equal to x, less than 1, 1 less than or equal to x, less than 2, 2 is less than or equal to x, is less than 3. Here, yes or no? Already discuss. Here this is a greatest integer function. This is a greatest integer function. Okay. Now x, this is the f of x. Okay. Now here 2 plus x, 2 plus x. This intervalize. So this is a 2. Now this is a 2. Okay. Now next one is 2 minus x, less than 2. So this is a 1, 1. Or you can write a minus 1. Okay. Now this is that means so function is discontinuous for set of integers on rectification function. Okay. Now this is always discontinuous function. Any value you can take. If a integer, not real number, mind it, integer, so the function is discontinuous. Okay. Now this is the first one. The second one. Now at x equal to 0. Now at x equal to 0, what is the value find out? Here given f of x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, this one. That means f of 0 equal to 0. Yes or no? Now, right hand limit. Limit h goes to 0, 0 plus h according to definition. Okay, greater than 0. Or limit h goes to 0, f of h. So here f of x. H tends to 0, goes to 0. Use this one. Now, limit h tends to 0, e to the power 1 by x minus 1 by e to the power 1 by x plus 1. Okay. Now this part equal to limit h tends to 0. Now take a common e to the power 1 by x, take a common 1 minus 1 by e to the power 1 by x. Okay. Now here also take a common e to the power 1 by x. 1 plus 1 by e to the power 1 by x. Now this cancel out. Okay. Now next one is limit h tends to 0. Okay. So 1 minus 1 by e to the power 1 by x. 1 plus 1 by e to the power 1 by x. Okay. When x tends to 0, 1 by 0 is infinite, e to the power infinite, infinite, 1 by infinite, 0. So this part equal to 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Okay. Now this is left right element area. Okay. Then next one is find out what is the left hand limit. Okay. Now the left hand limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h. Okay, less than 0, or this part equal to h tends to 0, f of minus h. So minus h means here limit h tends to 0, e to the power minus 1 by h minus 1, e to the power minus 1 by h plus 1. ठीक है? Yes or no? Instead of x write minus h. Okay. Or we can write this part equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 by e to the power 1 by h minus 1, 1 by e to the power 1 by h plus 1. Okay. Now this is a 0 minus 1 by 0 plus 1 equal to minus 1. So here plus 1, here minus 1. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Okay. That means the function is discontinuous. So the function is discontinuity at x equal to how much? 0. Okay. Now another two example is now next one. Okay. Now this is a whether the function is continuity or discontinuity at different points. Okay, this is a simple example. Now next class discuss about the again example. Let us say whether the function is continuous. Whether the function is continuous, then find the value of orbital motions. Okay, or test whether the function is continuous or discontinuous. We have discussed about the next class. Okay?